Kids have been out of school for more than 2 weeks already or so, and if you're already hearing the words, "I'm bored," there are ways to keep those tiny hands and minds busy. A special art class designed for little ones and their parents is now available at the Artlington Studios this summer. The program is called Portraits in Polymer Clay, and joining us now to tell us more about this class and what it offers is the owner of Wool Mountain, Maureen Winnicki Lyons. Good morning, Maureen.
Good morning.
Thank you so much for joining us.
It's my pleasure.
Now, this isn't wool.
No.
But this is something very different, obviously. How did you transition from wool to polymer clay?
Well, it actually began as a child. My grandmother used to make salt dough for me to play with. So I've grown up manipulating clay. So when I was an adult and able to choose my own adventure as far as art was concerned, I gravitated towards ceramics. I am, however, an inherently extremely clumsy person. So a ceramic sculpture does not forgive you for dropping it, whereas things made with wool do.
Okay.
But when I work with wool, there's often occasions where having just a little accessory or something from polymer clay, like a nose or toes or something on an animal sculpture. So it helps to segue into that. But polymer clay, and clay as a fact, is its own art form. So in working with polymer clay, I choose to do that because it's readily available. You can manipulate it in lots of ways, and it has a little bit more durability than some of the other artificial clays might be concerned. But because it's an artificial clay, you can start and finish it in your own home without needing specialized equipment.
So
it gets baked in the oven when it's done.
At your own home, you can bake it.
Well, I will have something at the studio so that people can go home with their pieces completely finished.
Okay, so first of all, let's just talk about kids being home on break right now. Obviously, you know, it's a short but yet long summer for some children. So why is this such a good fit for them who are suddenly bored already?
Well, Artlington Studios, where I have the honor of being one of the artists there, has developed some summer programming for youth, and so this is one of the things. There's collage, there's real ceramics, there's earring making and bead making. This is one of the classes that I'm doing. There's also some felting as well. It's just our classes for the summertime for our youth programming have been designed so that they are priced that people can either send two siblings together or come with their kids or something. So it's like a gratifying, exciting, contained, one-time only sort of class where you can come and do something fun as a family and leave with the fruits of your labor. Okay,
we're almost out of time already. It's going quick.
Okay,
so this is what it looks like.
Yes, yeah.
You're trying to do a self-portrait?
This would be more like an idealized self-portrait because I don't look like this anymore. She's far too ethereal. But this is like this tool here. All the tools at our disposal get used in a beginner class because I like to give everybody the maximum amount of opportunity to succeed.
Right. So this is hair you just did?
This is going to be hair. So if you're making a portrait of a guy or someone with facial hair, it's even more fun because you get to do mustaches and beards and things, and it's the hair can be a lot of fun. But using that tool called the extruder, it gives us some nice little spaghettis, like worms. Basically everything that you do with clay like this can be translated into the little worms that you maybe made, or pancakes or balls. It's like all those are sort of the foundations of it. So but this gets added as hair.
Oh, look at that.
So I would do this more carefully if
you had more time. Yes, obviously.
Okay, so if someone's right now.
If someone's watching, they want to take part in this class, what do they do?
My classes are registered through Eventbrite, but if you go to the Artlington Studios web page or our Instagram profile, it all has our classes listed for summertime.
This is wonderful. It looks so fun, and how creative indeed.